day, class. So our topic for today is all about geometry. So points and lines are the basic figure used in geometry. So at the end of the lesson, you will learn how to describe and identify the different kinds of lines, and also you will learn how to draw it. So as you can see in the first slide, there are different kinds of lines or road signages. So those signages have corresponded names in lines. But before that, what is a line? So set of points. So it is a set of points that extends infinitely in two directions and defined by two distinct points of the line. There are different kinds of lines: parallel, intersecting, and perpendicular lines. So it is formed by two or more lines in different settings. So let's have first the parallel lines. So parallel lines are lines in the same plane that will never intersect. It means they will never meet. So they are not meant for each other. So they have the same distance apart at all times. These two yellow lines that we can see in the middle of the road is an example of a parallel line. So it is also called coplanar lines because it doesn't intersect. Next is the perpendicular lines. So are two lines that intersect and form right angle and also square corners. So here is an example of a perpendicular line. So it is a flag from Norway. So the two lines that intersect can form a right angles and square corners. The last one is called intersecting line. So intersecting lines are lines that meet at a point or a common point, but it will not form a right angle. So here is an example of an intersecting line. So as you can see in the example picture, they meet at a point, but they don't form square corners or right angles. I hope you learned a lot from our lesson for today. So always remember that parallel lines are lines that will never cross, and the perpendicular lines are lines that will cross to make right angles. And the last one is the intersecting line, which is a line that will cross but do not make right angles. And that's all for today. Goodbye.